There is no perfect timetable to crack NEET. Nobody can show you the perfect timetable that works for everyone. So what this video is all about. In this video, I am not going to reveal any secret timetable that will make you topper in a day. But I am going to reveal how to make your own timetable that do wonders for you. In this world, we all vary in different aspects. We all have our own preferences and priorities. If this is the case, you need to figure out which timetable works best for you. In this video, I am going to teach you the 4-step algorithm I made that will help you to create your amazing timetable. And there is a big surprise for you in some part of this video, so watch this video till the end. If you are new to my channel, hello, I am Ibrahim, final year medical student from Madras Medical College, Chennai. So without wasting much time, let's dive into first step of our algorithm. I would like to categorize students into two. One is early bird and another is night owl. Early bird will be active during early part of the day. They find early morning as their productive time. In contrast, night owl will be active more during the night. Your first step is to figure out to which category you belong to. Once you figure out this, then you are ready to go to the next step. I hope everyone knows about the forgetting curve. The forgetting curve explains the decline of memory retention in time. According to this, if you study any topic today, you will remember only 50 to 60% of the information on the next day, and it decreases further, and at the end of the week, you will forget 90% of the information. So in order to increase your retention, you need to follow something called as spaced repetition. Spaced repetition is a method of reviewing material at systematic intervals. When you review the same material again and again at spaced interval, the curve further flattens out so that you will achieve higher retention. So in order to apply this into your studies, follow this. After studying the topic today, on the next day, use 1 hour to revise the topic which you studied the previous day. Use Sunday to revise all the topics which you studied from Monday to Saturday, and use last 2 days of the month to revise the topic that you studied in that month. By following this strategy, you can remember information for a very long time. Moving on to next step of our algorithm. When you study for a long time, always you get distracted. So in order to avoid distraction, you need to find 1 hour every single day only to do things that you love. Usually I spend 1 hour in the evening to watch any series. By following this, I can able to channelize all my distraction into a one big channel. It saves me more time. Also, I don't get distracted because already I know I'm going to spend 1 hour for all the things I love. So use distraction to avoid distraction. And finally, moving on to last step and important step of our algorithm, avoiding the illusion. Creating these time slots is the most important strategy. If you didn't make any time slots for the particular day, it will give you the false illusion that you have more time. You have 24 hours in a day, but you don't have all those 24 hours for studying. Out of these 24 hours, majority of this goes for sleeping and carrying out daily activities, and you have only limited time left for studying. In order to use the time properly and to avoid the illusion of more time, you need to create a time slot. To create time slot, I personally use Google Calendar. First, create time slot for all the unavoidable tasks like sleeping, having breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. And if you go to coaching or school, schedule it down. And as per the previous step, you need to allocate 1 hour every single day to revise the topic that you studied yesterday and 1 hour for stress buster. Now I will show you how I make my timetable if I am preparing for NEET. Since I am an early bird, I would like to wake up early in the morning. I usually wake up at 5 am and I will get ready to study by 5:30 am. Always remember, use your morning time to study memorizing stuffs like biology. Use afternoon to study something that is logical or problem solving. This won't make you feel sleepy after lunch. So after lunch you can solve question paper or you can do any physics problems. And use evening hours to study concepts. I personally follow this framework and it did wonders for me. Okay, back to the schedule. From 5:30 to 8 I will study biology. Don't try to study continuously. If you feel exhausted, feel free to take a break. Or you can use Pomodoro technique. Watch this video to know more about Pomodoro technique. Okay, from 8 to 9, I will take a break for bathing and breakfast. From 9 to 12, I will study chemistry. I will take a break in between. In this time, I may watch lectures and after that, I will solve problems. From 12 to 2, I take a break for lunch. And after lunch, I will take a small nap of 45 minutes. And I don't sleep for long duration because it affects your sleep in night. From 2 to 5, I solve any grand test or I solve any previous year question during this time. From 5 to 6, I take break. During this time, I take coffee or tea and simultaneously I watch any series, not more than a single episode, so that you can channelize all your distraction to a single distraction. From 6 to 8, I study physics. From 8 to 9, I take break for dinner. And from 9 to 10, 1 hour, I revise the previous day topic using active recall method. And watch this video if you want to know more about active recall. And from 10 to 5, I will sleep peacefully. Also, feel free to follow these steps too. When you are planning to study any subject, also plan your study location. I will always recommend you to change study places frequently. To keep your mind stimulated, always rotate between different places. Also, before sleeping, take 5 to 10 minutes to plan your next day so that you don't waste time in the morning. You can start a productive day with a perfect plan. And now I would like to reveal the biggest surprise. The big surprise is I will make a customized timetable for you. It is very difficult for me to make timetable for everyone, and those who are really interested, complete this little task. The task is subscribing my YouTube channel and click the like button and comment your thoughts about our YouTube channel in the comment section. And finally, download our app Neat Master from Play Store, and in the chat section share me the screenshot of your comment, and I will pick few of you and make you a customized timetable for completely free. Hurry up, first come, first serve. And this is all I want to talk about in this video. I believe this video really helped you a lot, and thank you for watching my video till the end. See you in my next video.